So now the steps are easy to follow. What you have to do is that you go to your WhatsApp, you look for your WhatsApp. This is your WhatsApp, you click your WhatsApp, then you go to this icon here, there's more, you click it, and then you click on settings, and then you click on account, then you click on two-step verification, and then you enable it. Now on this junction you are going to put a 6-digit number that is for your verification. So you put a 6-digit number. Let me put my 6-digit number. Then I will confirm the 6-digit number. Then I will enter an email address. I will enter an email address for it. Now this email address you are entering, you must know the password of the Gmail address so that if anything comes up, they will be able to send you a notification through this email address. So you enter the Gmail address, you know the password, then you press next, and then you confirm the Gmail again, and you press save, and you are done. So with these few simple click and you press done, with these few simple steps, you've actually activated your two-step verification. You can see when I opened, they will ask me for the enter your two-step verification. I will just enter my two-step verification here, and I'm done. So no hackers can hack your account when you have this two-step verification. Thank you.
Click subscribe and press the bell notification so you can see our latest videos, you can see our educative videos.